Did I go live? Oh Lord, I went live. Y'all, I did not know that I went live. I just got a text message saying there's a black screen. There was a traffic stop right there at the store that I was at, and as soon as I pulled into the store, it was over with, and I didn't realize that I hit live. I really hoped that I wasn't praying and I said something embarrassing. Sorry, y'all. I did not know that I was live. There's another call going on over here. That's where we're going right now. I just heard it over the radio. Thank you for the heads up, Allie. That could have been not good. I pray a lot, and so that could have been not good. If I was praying about something and I didn't know I was live. I hope I didn't say anything embarrassing. Are we good? Sorry, y'all. Lapping your mule. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have to plead the fifth on that one. A lot of groaning. I was passing a kidney stone. How embarrassing. Here we go. The call's up here. There's gunshots up here. I sounded in pain. Yeah, my shoulder was, I'm telling you, I'm in pain all day long, y'all. My shoulder constantly hurts. That much grunting. Oh man. I do not have kidney stones. I was joking. If I was grunting in pain, it's because my shoulder, y'all. Hear any gunshots? All right, you have a good night. He said, I ain't the one. Yeah, having a bad shoulder day, y'all. That's all that was. That's what y'all were hearing.